Oh, are you over there? Thank you for joining me today in the session. So today we will look at we start from where we stopped on the prime products. Prime product representation of numbers as a product of their prime factors. Yes, will lead us into calculating the H.C.F, or we call it the highest common factors of numbers. So the question is, what is highest common factor? Or the term highest common factor, what does it mean? It means you have a set of factors of numbers. You have, of course, 8, you have 4. Say we have the factors of 8, they are 1, 2, 4, then 8 itself. You can express this as a product of their prime factors. So from what we did in the other video, if you have to represent 8 as a prime factor, what do we do? Don't forget we are considering 8 and 4. So you can write 8 as this using the other method. You have 4. You have 2 times 4. Break this down, it becomes 2 times 2. And breaking 2 down, you have 2 times 1. You see this? So automatically this order gives you 8. Let's look at 4, the other one I wrote. I have 4. This is 2 times 2. And this is 2 times 1. So at the same time also, this order will give you 4, 2 times 2. So we can just represent them using the knowledge of prime products. Write this out. You will see what we have. So what do we have? Let me wipe this. This is 2 times 2 times 2, right? So you are having 8 to give you 2 times 2 times 2. Then 4 to give you 2 times 2. Now the word common is in the term we are dealing with. Highest common factor. So the common factors first. Have this. We have this. This, there's nothing here. You can write 1 here, but it's not common to 2. So what are the highest common factor there? That will be the H.C.F. We got the 2 times 2. This is the first one, the first 2 common ones. Highest, the other one, so the answer becomes 4. You get this? There is another simpler method, a very, very, very simple approach you can always depend on. Either you have a large value or small values like the one I just did. All you do is you use the repeated division method, or you bear something in mind. When you calculate their H.C.F, you must look for a factor of both or more numbers that you are given. A factor of them is only the only thing you use in dividing them repeatedly. Once you cannot get a factor for 3 of them, take note of what I said. 3 of them or 2 of them, you stop the division. Let's go. Have this, of course. 2 will divide these two numbers, I'm sure. So here I have 4. Here I have 2. Go again. 2 in this 4, you have 2. 2 in this 2, you have 1. What will divide 2 and 1? Except 1. No other number. So you stop at that point. So your answer, your H.C.F, gives you what? 2 times 2. And that equals to 4. You see that? Let's do an example from what we have on the board before we get too carried away. So we have 28 and 36. We divide. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4, given 14, 2 here is 1, 1 left, isn't it? In 16, 8, 2 will still divide, 2 here, 7, 2 here, it is 9. Yes. What factor will divide these two numbers? What number will divide? What number will divide 7 and at the same time divide 9? Obviously, no other number except one which we are not using here. It doesn't change anything. So no other number. What do? Stop there. So the HCF times 2 times 2. And that becomes 4. Is that clear? Good. We go again. Let's treat question C. Question C. Now the other one, you can also do the other method. 28 is equal to what? 4 times 7. Isn't it? Which you can write as 2 times 2 times 7. Are you seeing that? Then 36. 36 is what? It's 4 times 9. I can easily break that down as 2 times 2, then times 3 times 3. So what are the common factors here? This is common, this is common, no other thing is common. So the H.C.F 2 times 2, which is 4. You get that? Which will be 4. Let me use the other one so that you can see what I'm writing very well. That is 4. So it's as simple and direct as that. Going by the next question, you have 20. Okay, let's do 21. 21 and 28. 2 will not divide this 2. It will only divide 28. So you don't use 2, you go to 3. Can 3 divide this? 21. Yes. Can 3 divide 28? No. Go to 4. 4 can't divide 21, but 4 will divide 28. So no, can't use it. 5, none. 6, none. 7. Yes. 7 divided 2. So you have these 3. Here, 4. What other number? No other number will divide those two numbers. So you have said HCF equal to 7. A very simple and direct method. Once again, I thank you for joining me on this session. Should in case you want to reach me, you can reach me on this contact. This. Thank you and stay blessed.